Assemble360 is the implementation program for Assembly. Your account manager will meet with you and spend time to understand the goals you have for your team and what success will look like. Your account manager will work with you to customize your Assembly account, helping drive engagement and getting your team to success as quickly as possible. In this video, we will walk you through the implementation plan for Assembly. At the highest level, we break this down into 3 pieces. The first is setting up your platform. Second is connecting and integrating to the tools that you're already using. And the third is talking through internal comms and launch planning. You will be supported by your account manager throughout this process. Let me walk through each of these in a little bit more detail. So first and foremost is the setup. Your account manager will guide you through the settings within the Assembly dashboard, which is a relatively simple process. The next is to determine the economy of the platform. If you have decided to use Assembly for recognition and rewards, we can help you to create an internal currency. Your account manager can guide you on best practices here and how to optimize the rewards program while staying within your budget. The second piece is connecting Assembly to your existing tools. This can make it easier to manage onboarding and offboarding of users and help increase engagement on the platform. Assembly integrates into most HRIS systems, and we also integrate with Microsoft Teams and Slack. The goal is that your employees can use Assembly within the tools they're already comfortable with. The third part, and the most important to ensure a successful launch, is talking through internal communications. We want to help empower you to explain what Assembly is and how your team can use it to get value. Assembly will provide videos, one-pagers, training materials, and can also run custom trainings just for your team. We look forward to helping you customize Assembly to work not only for recognition and rewards, but also as a platform for knowledge sharing, gathering feedback, improving productivity and collaboration, and creating a hub for all of the culture initiatives.